Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money to your Kucoin account. So first of all, you may want to deposit only fiat money. So in order to do this, you can just simply go ahead once you are on Kucoin.com and you logged into your account. You can go ahead on the add funds option right there at the top and click add funds. After that, you will see that you can deposit fiat to buy crypto. So you want to go ahead and click on this, and you will be redirected to this page. Now you're going to choose your fiat. As you can see, there's only these options, sadly. So for example, euros and the payment method. So this is through the third party option wallet, or you can just choose a regular bank transfer, and basically it will be a just €1 fee and not 1% fee. And first of all, your identity needs to be verified already on Kucoin to do this. So this is one way how you can deposit money. If you want to deposit crypto, you can go ahead to your add funds again and deposit crypto option. Click on it. Now you will need to choose a coin which you want to go ahead and deposit. So for example, USDT, Tether. Now you need to select the network. So the network needs to be the same as to where you are sending your money from, your cryptocurrency from. And now you will see here your QR code and your address, which you can copy and paste to another exchange. Also, you can go ahead and change where you want it to be deposited. You can choose a funding account or some other account on Kucoin. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.